In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paraphrase content using Grok AI. If you've ever needed to say the same idea in clearer or fresher words without changing the meaning, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it quickly and confidently. First, open Grok AI. You can do this by heading to the official Grok AI website in your browser or by launching the Grok AI app on your device. If you're prompted to sign in, just follow the on-screen steps and wait for the home screen to load. The goal is simply to get to the place where you can start a new chat. Next, open the chat interface. Most versions of Grok AI land you right in a conversation window. If you don't see it immediately, look for a chat button or a plus icon to start a new thread. A fresh chat helps the system focus on your current task. Now, copy the content you want to paraphrase and paste it into the chat input box. You can paste a sentence, a paragraph, or a short section of text. Avoid including personal or sensitive information, and keep any citations, numbers, or key terms that must remain unchanged in your pasted content so you can check them later. Before we move on, a quick note. If you need the official website or the app, you'll find a direct link at the very top of the description. Use that to make sure you're downloading the real app or visiting the correct site. In the chat box, ask Grok to paraphrase. A simple prompt like, paraphrase this content, or rewrite this in different words, works well. If you already know the style you want, you can mention it briefly, such as, paraphrase this more concisely, or rewrite in a friendly, professional tone. Then submit your request and let Grok generate the new version. Read the paraphrased result carefully. Make sure the core meaning matches the original and that important facts, numbers, names of things like organizations, and any dates or citations remain accurate. Watch out for wording that might unintentionally change the tone or emphasis, and double-check any specialized terms. If the output isn't quite right, refine it with another prompt. You can ask Grok to simplify complex sentences, make the wording more formal or casual, shorten the length, preserve specific keywords, or avoid certain phrases. Iterate until the result sounds natural, accurate, and appropriate for your audience. That's how you can quickly paraphrase content using Grok AI. If this was helpful, please check the links in the description, and thanks for watching.